To pay with your iPhone 17, first of all, let's open the Wallet app on our device. Next step is to click on a plus button, and from here add any payment method, for example debit or credit card, here you need to choose your bank and etc. Finish adding your card, and then the next step is to open a settings on our device. Move all the way down and select Wallet and Apple Pay. Here go for the Apple Pay defaults, and then we can try the Apple Pay demo. Also make sure to activate this feature, it's very easy to pay with that. So try Apple Pay, and then we can try Apple Pay demo. And now to actually pay, you need to double click on your side button right here, and then unlock your phone with your passcode. Then next step is to tilt your phone like this next to the register, and that way you'll be able to pay. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.